Incoming device is a Samsung Note 8, gray in color. Rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. Front camera lens does not appear to be obstructed by any cracks, but there is a crack spanning right above it, as well as there's a crack on the upper left-hand corner spiraling across. The power button, volume buttons, Bixby button all give smooth feedback. Go ahead and can't check what's no. See if we can search up the cameras, test the front camera to see if that anything's blocked on it. Front camera does have a little bit of a glare effect, nothing too major. And actually taking a look at the bottom left hand side of the phone, the LCD does look like it actually is starting to fail. Go ahead and test the proximity sensor as well. Go to the phone and then make a quick call to the carrier through 611. Blacks out, and your speaker's working. We'll go ahead and take a look at the parts cost and see how much it would be. 2.2 amperes, 65%, and I don't know the